Whether you're crafting custom jewellery or creating intricate decorative pieces, this advanced machine is a must-have for any modern workshop. Laser cutting and engraving has never been more precise, efficient or versatile than with the Magic L3 Fibre Laser Engraver and Cutting Machine. Begin by selecting your preferred metal and carefully remove the protective plastic. Use vernier calipers to measure its dimensions accurately. Place the metal onto the honeycomb table and use the built-in camera to preview your working area in the software. This ensures precision before cutting begins. For smoother operation, connect a mouse to your computer. And as always, make sure your workspace is clear and safe. To attach the charm to a necklace, we're adding a small cutout circle at the top. Adjust the placement carefully, ensuring it's perfectly centered. Once satisfied, it's time to create the toolpath. Under the Toolpath tab, select Boundary Line Toolpath. The exact settings depend on the material type, thickness, and desired finish. Before cutting, double-check the camera's output preview. This provides a rough idea of how your design will look on the material. Once ready, press start and watch as the Magic L3 gets to work. Keep an eye on the countdown timer, both on the machine and your computer screen, to track progress. Now let's cut out the inner circle. Check the design positioning to ensure it's centered. Use the laser light preview to confirm alignment before engraving or cutting. Once everything looks perfect, start the cutting process. As the hood closes for safety, watch as the laser precisely engraves your design with flawless accuracy. Once the process is complete, carefully remove your piece and admire the results. In the Deco tab, we've chosen a love heart design to engrave onto the pendant. Position the design on the metal and use the preview function to ensure it's centered. The Magic L3 Laser Engraver and Cutting Machine makes it effortless to engrave and cut intricate designs with precision and speed. Here are a few more examples of what you can create using this powerful machine. Interested in seeing this machine in action? Book a free virtual or in-person demonstration today.